Your hair is basically your personality wrapped on your head. Some days it makes you feel like the main character in every room. Other days it makes you want to cancel your plans and hide under the bed. Let's be honest, hair decides your vibe. People notice it instantly, and it tells a story about your hygiene, confidence, and style. But most guys treat it like a side quest. Random shampoo, messy styling, or ignoring it completely, and then wonder why it looks dry, greasy, lifeless, or just confused. Today, we're going to fix that. This is the ultimate hair care guide that makes your hair clean, healthy, strong, and attractive every single day without expensive products or complicated routines. Follow these steps consistently, and your hair will stop just surviving and start thriving. Let's go. Step 1. Understand your hair type before anything else. You need to know what kind of hair you actually have. This step changes everything. The wrong routine can make your hair worse instead of better. Look closely. Oily, dry, straight, wavy, curly, thick, thin. Oily hair gets greasy fast. Dry hair looks rough and frizzy. Curly hair needs moisture to prevent the frizz apocalypse. Straight hair needs volume. Wavy hair needs balance, or looks flat and lifeless. Once you know your type, choosing the right shampoo, conditioner, and styling method becomes simple. No more guessing. No more wasting money on random products. No more, why does my hair hate me? Moments. Trust me, understanding your hair is like finding the cheat code for good hair days. Step 2. Stop overwashing your hair. Most guys think washing hair every day equals clean, attractive hair. Wrong. Washing daily strips your scalp of natural oils that make hair soft and shiny. When you overwash, your scalp panics, produces even more oil, creating that greasy psyche you hate. The solution: wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week. That's enough to stay fresh, balanced, and healthy. Gym day? Just rinse with water or a very gentle shampoo. No need to go full soap commercial every day. Overwashing is the silent hair killer. Step 3. Choose the right shampoo and conditioner. Expensive doesn't mean better. What matters is matching your hair type. Oily hair, mild clarifying shampoo. Dry hair, moisturizing shampoo. Curly hair, sulfate-free products for gentle care. Conditioner is just as important. It softens hair, strengthens strands, and makes styling easier. Apply mid-length to ends only, never on the scalp. Conditioner on the scalp causes buildup and flat hair. Choose products for your hair, not because a TikTok trend said so. Step 4. Massage your scalp. Healthy hair starts at the roots. Massaging your scalp 2 to 3 minutes daily boosts blood flow, delivers nutrients, and reduces stress. One of the biggest reasons hair falls out. Use fingertips, circular motions. Do it while showering or before sleep. It removes dead skin, reduces dandruff, and strengthens roots. Bonus: scalp massage is also a stress reliever. Treat it like a mini spa moment. Your hair will grow stronger and your brain will thank you too. Step 5. Use natural oils. Oiling isn't just old school advice. It actually works. Don't drown your hair. A small amount once or twice a week is enough. Coconut oil nourishes. Castor oil thickens and boosts growth. Argan oil smooths, softens, and tames frizz. Warm it slightly. Massage into scalp. Leave 30 to 60 minutes. Then wash. It protects hair from dust, heat, and styling tools. Think of oiling as giving your hair a mini shield and spa treatment at the same time. Step 6. Protect your hair from heat. Heat damages hair faster than you notice. Hair dryers, straighteners, hot showers, they all make hair weak, dry, and breakable. Hair dryer low or medium heat. Hold a few inches away. Towel, pat gently, don't rub. Rubbing causes breakage. Shower, lukewarm water, hot water. Small heat protection changes make hair smoother, shinier, and less frizzy. Treat your hair like fine leather. Heat abuse will leave it rough and cracked. Step 7. Stop using too much product: gel, wax, clay. Yes, they make hair look good. Too much? Disaster. Heavy products clog pores, greasy scalp, dandruff, weak roots. Use small amounts. Apply evenly. Never put product directly on roots. Wash out before bed. Less is more. Focus on healthy hair first. Styling second. Trust me, your hair will look better naturally than with a product overload. Step 8. Eat for your hair. Your hair is a reflection of what's inside your body. Protein, vitamins, minerals, healthy fats. They're all crucial. Eggs, chicken, fish, lentils, nuts, spinach, bananas, yogurt. Avoid excessive junk food and sugar. They make hair weak and dull. Water is just as important. Dehydration leads to dryness, dandruff, and slower growth. Healthy hair starts from inside out. Think of your hair as a plant. Nutrition and hydration are non-negotiable. Step 9. Brushing too hard. Brushing wet hair. Tight hairstyles. Sleeping on rough pillowcases. Wet hair equals weakest hair. Wait until slightly dry. Use a wide tooth comb. Don't pull hair while styling. Longer hair? Detangle gently before bed. Gentle handling keeps hair strong, shiny, and reduces breakage. Step 10. Fix dandruff properly. Dandruff kills confidence, but it's fixable. Causes: dryness, buildup, fungal growth. Mild dandruff, tea tree shampoo or anti-dandruff shampoo 1. 2x/week. Dry scalp, moisturize and oil more. Never scratch. It creates wounds. Treat the root, not just symptoms. Healthy scalp equals happy hair equals confidence booster. Step 11. Get regular trims. Most guys wait months between haircuts. Split and spread. Hair looks messy. Regular trims every 4 to 6 weeks remove split ends, make hair healthy, and make styling effortless. Even small trims make your hair look sharp and maintained. Step 12. Build a simple routine. You can follow number 10-step routines needed. Keep it simple. Wash 2 to 3 times/week. Condition mid-length to ends. Oil 1/week. Massage scalp daily. Protect from heat. Eat healthy. Handle hair gently. Consistency beats expensive products. Stick to this, and hair becomes softer, smoother, cleaner, and naturally attractive. Bonus tips. Sleep on a silk or smooth pillowcase to reduce friction. Try cold water rinse at the end of a shower to seal cuticles. Avoid towel friction. Microfiber towels are best. Limit exposure to sun or chlorine. Both weaken hair. Your hair can be your strongest feature if you treat it right. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and watch your hair transform from average to healthy, shiny, and attractive. Start today and let your hair do the talking.